Hi guys, today we're in St. George, Utah, and we're going to attempt to ride barrel again. Dan's going to try and hit the waterfall. Last time we were here we walked it, but today he's going to ride it.
Yeah, I feel like if I just look at the lines, walk it, I think I can ride it. I actually know I can ride it.
Yeah.
It looks pretty nasty. It's pretty steep, but the good thing is you have good grip as far as for your brakes. So we're gonna give it a shot. See if I can get some redemption here.
Yeah, redemption video, barrel. Yeah. We got you. Yeah. All right, we'll tell you how it goes.
Made it. Oh yeah, that's fantastic. Made it up that. Beautiful.
He's walking the line.
Oh yeah, I got this. Got it, babe. That's the first section. I nailed it. Got it! Got it! Yes! Barrel's waterfall feature. Okay, it's beautiful. Yeah! Woo! Got it!
Great job!
I mean, if that is not something to conquer, woo!
Great job!
Amazing. Wow. Woo! I'm so thrilled. This is amazing.
That's the beast. Redemption.
Redemption. Redemption.
Check mark. Conquered.